In this short video, I'll show you how to contact Instagram support to resolve any account issues or concerns you might have. Imagine effortlessly solving login problems, recovering your hacked account, or reporting inappropriate content with just a few clicks. Many users are unaware of Instagram's multiple support options, but those who know about it enjoy a smoother, hassle-free experience. That's the convenience we're aiming for, and by the end of this video, you'll know all the steps to get the support you need from Instagram. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. With our years of experience, we've guided countless users through issues like account recovery, reporting violations, and troubleshooting login errors. Stay with me until the end to discover how to recover an Instagram account without email or phone. Now, let's get started on how to contact Instagram support for help. First, if it's an issue related to Meta verified account, here's a way to contact Instagram support chat. On the Instagram app, navigate to your account settings, tap Meta verified, and then get support. Next, select the category for which you require assistance, and you can live chat with support through the Instagram app or send an email. You can typically expect a response within 24 hours. For non-verified users, a good method to get help is to use the Instagram Help Center. The Help Center is a comprehensive resource designed to address the most common concerns. To start, open a browser and go to help.instagram.com. If you're using the app, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Select the menu in the top right corner, then tap Help, followed by Help Center. From here, you can search for your issue using keywords like hacked account or login problem. Select the most relevant article and follow the step-by-step instructions provided. The second method is to submit a report to Instagram. To start, navigate to the Help Center and click on Privacy, then Security, Reporting on the left panel. Choose How to report things and find the option that fits your issue. If applicable, you'll see a link to submit a report form. Examples include reporting bullying or harassment, appealing a disabled account, and reporting copyright or trademark infringement. Complete the form with accurate details and click Send. Instagram typically responds within a week, depending on the issue. For issues such as account recovery or a hacked account, you can find specific forms by searching Google using specific parameters. To do this, go to Google and search site instagram.com help followed by your issue. For example, searching site instagram.com's help hack will show links to forms and help resources regarding hacked accounts. Open and fill out the form with the necessary information, then wait for their prompt reply. Keep in mind that these forms might take 2 to 3 days for a response. It's recommended to submit multiple times if you don't hear back. Another option is to report content or profile directly in the app. Here's how: open Instagram and navigate to the problematic content or user profile. Tap the 3 dots in the top right corner. Select Report and follow the prompts to categorize the issue. For example, you can report spam, inappropriate posts, or fake accounts. Instagram uses these reports to enforce its community guidelines. Before we continue, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tech tips. Now let's continue with other important ways to contact Instagram support. Another great method is to submit an appeal for disabled or hacked accounts. If your account is disabled, log into the Instagram app and you'll see a notification explaining the deactivation. Follow the on-screen instructions to appeal. Alternatively, visit this form to appeal a mistakenly disabled account using the form searching method discussed earlier. If you've been hacked, the Help Center has forms specifically for account recovery under the Hacked Instagram Account section. Make sure to provide accurate details, such as your email and username, for quicker resolution. For faster solutions, also consider updating the Instagram app to its latest version via your App Store. Outdated apps often cause unnecessary errors. If you manage a Facebook business page linked to your Instagram, log into Facebook Business Help. Click on Contact Support to chat with a Meta representative. While this option is primarily for businesses, it can help escalate urgent issues. Understand that there's no reliable phone number or Instagram support email to contact directly for account issues. However, you can still use these options to get the help you need. But what if your Instagram account is hacked and requires an email or phone number? In this video linked here, I'll walk you through the simple steps to recover your Instagram account without email or phone. Tap here to watch it after this video. To explore more Instagram video tutorials, click this card. Check the description below and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for tuning in.